How to use Yupoo on CNFans. Here's what you want to do. First, you will need to go to the respective Yupoo store which you want to purchase from. Here I'm on the store and let's say that I want to purchase this item. Click on the product which you want to purchase and then you will just copy this link at the top. Right click, copy. Now we have to go into CNFans and paste the link right here. So we're just gonna press on the search bar and we're gonna press Ctrl+V to paste the link and then we will click on submit. Alright, so it's gonna look like this. It's gonna ask us for the product name. So here we will have to copy the product name, which is gonna be this one. Right click, copy, and we'll just right click and paste it. Now the product link itself, again, we will copy this link, copy, and we'll paste it in the second field. The specifications and product notes are not needed. What is needed is the image. So what you have to do is copy this image. So whichever, you can also upload multiple images, but let's say that we're gonna do this one. Right click, you want to save it and then upload it. Now the unit price here, we're just going to go back and you want to see how much this costs. So we just want to locate that. If the person selling this has not listed a price, then you will have to contact them and ask for the price. But let's say that the unit price is, for example, 20. So afterwards, you will need to put the quantity which you want to purchase. So let's say that we want to order 5 of those. You will add it here, and the domestic shipping, you will enter the shipping cost from the seller to the CNFans warehouse. So how this is gonna work, you can calculate it on the CNFans website. And after you have calculated it, you will put it here. Then you have to toggle I agree. I have read and agree. And then you will press buy now. You will go through the payment process, and that's how you buy from Yupoo using CNFans. It's a little bit confusing, but that's how it works. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.